Hello friends, I am Prachivani is going to present you the tips regarding articles. As you know, articles is a very important part of grammar. Number of times we are having lots of confusion about articles, how to insert the appropriate article at the appropriate place. Hence, today I am going to give you some of the simple tips about understanding of articles so that we can insert the articles as per the type of sentence given. So article is also called very important part of speech. Also, it indicates particular object. When we are saying about any object in the particular way, then it is always denoted with the article. Basically, there are two types of articles, that is definite article and indefinite articles. We will try to understand. Indefinite articles are both two, that is a and an. The definite article is only one, and that is the. A and an, it indicates anything, any noun which is not the specific, which is not the definite one. On the other hand, the is used before the noun, before the things which are indicated specifically or that tells the position of something in the definite way. Now let us try to understand how a can be used or in which condition we can use a. A is used before singular noun, obviously, and also we can use it before singular noun, but have a little bit difference. A is used before any word or noun that begins with consonant. As you know, in grammar, there are two concepts, that is vowel and consonants. At the end, I have shown you vowels. There are total 5 vowels in English language, that is A, E, I, O, U. Hence, A is used before the consonants. Means, apart from that 5 vowels, the remaining are called here consonants. If any noun, any word begins with the consonant, then it is always have a. Even then, a and an, we do not use it before the plural nouns. Now you can have an example of a. When we use a, obviously it is used before banana when it is a singular noun. A tree, something not definite, it is having unspecific way. A hanger, a bat, a boy. In these all words, it is starting with the consonant word. Or when we are having pronunciation containing the consonants, before that we use a. So these are the examples of a. We will try to discuss the next point, that is an. Now, an is used just like a before a singular noun. Also, it is used before any word, any noun that begins with the vowel sounds. So, as I told you, vowels are total 5, that is A, E, I, O, U. Hence, the words that starts with any vowel sound and pronounced as a vowel, before that an is used. We will see the example. An apple, that is only one apple and it is used before the vowel. A stands for vowel. Second, an egg. Egg starts with E. Next is an eagle, that is starts with E. An orange, an aeroplane. And last one is here, an honest. Now, last example which gives you details about it. We have used that an before honest, but it is beginning with the consonant word or consonant letter, that is H. But in this particular word, H is a very silent. So when we are pronouncing honest, then we are not using her sound. So we are using here O, that belongs to vowel. So in an is used before the words which begins with vowel, or sometimes it may begin with a consonant but it is pronounced with the vowel sound. Now let us try to understand the next concept of the. Now as you know, the belongs to definite article. It indicates any specific thing or it is used before something known or which is mentioned earlier. Let us try to understand the examples given. The is used before superlative form of adjective, that is the fastest. It is again telling us something particular object, particular thing. For example, Ram is the fastest boy among all. So Ram is all alone. So it is indicating something particular, but before the superlative form of adjective, the is used. After that, the sky. The sky belongs to unique object in the world. So the sky, the moon, all these things indicates. So it tells us something specific or definite thing. Next is here country names. So the United States. So when we have to mention country name commonly, then we can use here the. After that, the plural. In plural, we use here the Indians. When we have to say collectively that we are Indian, definitely we can use it as Indians, but before that we can use here the as an article. Then monuments. Sometimes monuments can be also starting with the Taj Mahal, the Parliament, like this. Then river, oceans, when we have to mention it, before that we can use here the. For example, the Amazon, the Satluj, accordingly. The Arabian Sea. After that, some of the mountains can be again begin with the. For example, the Himalayas, all these things. Certain newspapers, if we have to mention clearly, then before that also we use the. The Times of India, the Indian Express, etc. Some of the musical instruments also can be given, can be mentioned by using the. And some of the families, it can be also headed by the as an article. For example, the Smiths family, when we are saying something collectively. So these are the information about a and the. Now I thought that your concept of all articles a and the may be clear to you. Now on the basis of that, I would like to give you exercise. Try to identify which article is here fitted. First sentence is here, we bought a mango, but dash mango was not ripe. So we bought a mango. Here is any mango, single one, but the mango was not ripe. So in the second blank space, we have to mention here the mango, because earlier that is mentioned in the first sentence. So again we are repeating the same mango. So we are using here the mango. In the second sentence, let us try to do study of it. She gifted dash cute puppy to her friend. She gifted a cute puppy to her friend. Only one cute puppy. Again it is telling indefinite. We don't know its name. Again it is a singular one. So it is belonging to a cute puppy. Next, third, dash umbrella is useful in rain. Here the answer is an umbrella is useful in rain. So here umbrella is any umbrella, not any specific umbrella. So and this article is suited. Next is here, dash Maldives is a chain of about 1200 coral islands. So again we have to use here the Maldives. It is telling us something specific or any unique item belonging to any kind of islands, or it is one of the part of mountains also. So before that we are using here the Maldives is a chain of about 1200 coral islands. And last one is here, dash orange cannot be used in a place of dash lemon. An orange, why? Only one single orange cannot be used in a place of a lemon. Orange and lemon is only one, so it is a singular noun. So before that we are using a as well as an. Even then it is not telling us something definite, any particular orange, particular lemon. So in general sense it is said. So that's why we are using here an as well as a. We will have review of the answers. First, we bought a mango, but the mango was not ripe. Second, she gifted a cute puppy to her friend. Third one, An umbrella is useful in rain. Number 4, Maldives. The Maldives is a chain of about 1200 coral islands. And number 5, an orange cannot be used in place of a lemon. Thank you.